I will talk about how can you enable quick trading on your Pocket Option app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on profile, click on it. Sorry, you click here on trading here, you click on trading, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. If you want to add here quick trading real account or demo account here, so I'm going to click here quick trading on demo account, just click on it. So then here just switching to open video here. So then when you wait into open video, it's going to show for you in this list here like you see on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.